Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add shop button on Instagram. Instagram Shop offers a way for businesses to showcase their product catalog and reach new customers on Instagram. Brands can curate a list of shoppable products that are directly accessible through the View Shop button on their Instagram profile page. But it's not all. Brands with Instagram Shop can also be featured on the Instagram Shop tab, a shopping destination accessible from Instagram's main navigation menu. Instagram Shop is a streamlined way for users to discover shoppable products on Instagram, with the options to search by categories, see editors speak, and more. By clicking on a suggested product, users can see more images that feature the product, pricing information, other products from the same retailer, and how to purchase. To get set up the Instagram Shop, your business needs to meet the following eligible requirements. Your business is located in a supported market. Your business has an eligible product. Your business complies with Instagram Merchant Agreement and commerce policies. And your business owns a website domain in which you intend to sell from. To add the View Shop button on Instagram, you will need to have a business account and be set up as a merchant on the Instagram checkout feature. Here are the steps you can follow to add the View Shop button to your Instagram profile. First, make sure you have a business account on Instagram and a Facebook shop set up. If you don't have a Facebook shop set up, you can create one by going to your Facebook page, clicking on the shop tab, and following the prompts. Go to your profile, then tap on the Edit Profile. Once your catalog is connected, you should see the View Shop button on your profile. You can also add the View Shop button to your Instagram bio by tapping Edit Profile and then scrolling down the action buttons. From there, you can add the View Shop button, which will direct users to your products when tapped. Please note that the View Shop button on Instagram is only available to certain business based on their locations and business categories, and requirements you to have a Facebook shop. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.